There is nothing better than entering a clean and fragrant bathroom, is there? And do you know what's better? You can make your bathroom smell good simply and effortlessly. Do you want to know how? That's what you will learn in today's video. Even if it is not your favorite spot of your house, having a clean and fragrant bathroom is a synonym of care. And if there are two rooms that we always worry about keeping clean and organized, they are the kitchen and the bathroom, right? Today, there are many different things on the market promising to keep your bathroom smelling good. From air fresheners to scented paper sheets, these products are very easy to find in grocery stores, but in today's video, you will learn how to use baby oil to make your bathroom smell good. All you'll need to do it is 1 toilet paper roll, baby oil or any other essential oil with a smell you prefer. It will be the smell that dominates the space for many days. Directions. It is very easy. Whenever you change your toilet paper roll, place a few drops of your preferred oil in the. You won't need much, 4 or 5 drops will last you the length of the toilet roll. Put the roll in the dispenser and you're done. Every time someone uses the roll, the motion will release the fragrance. Keep the door closed to trap the fragrance and help it last longer. Besides that, to keep your bathroom always smelling good, you can clean the trash whenever necessary to avoid smells, regularly clean the place, at least once a week, regularly wash or change the sanitary brush to avoid odor and to keep the cleaning efficient. These tricks, even though simple, help a lot to keep your bathroom clean. Following these tips, your bathroom will always look clean and smell good. Do you know any tricks to keep the bathroom smelling good? Share it in the comments. If you liked this video, like and subscribe. We love sharing these healthy and helpful videos with you.